In this video, we are going to be analysing wheels up, ticker up. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we start pushing to the upside? As of right now, our closest resistance is $2.50, taking us further to $2.85. And what we can also see with these statistical levels is it is the recent resistance. Every time we pushed up in the past kind of 3 months, we've come into this level and kept putting back. So this is really a key level to know if you're looking at the upside prediction on up. If we break that though, then we're looking at $3.25, $4, and then around $4.70, which would also be our fourth deviation on the 6-month chart and our second deviation on the 1-year chart. So really this would be a heavy layer of resistance. If we were able to break that though, then we would be looking at $6.40 and a final level at $8.15. Obviously a lot of these targets are very far off from where we are now. So if you are looking at the upside of up, then we would be looking at $2.50 and $2.85 as these key levels. And really then if we can break above $2.85, come to test it as support and it holds, then over time we should expect a push to at least $3.25. Now on the other hand, if you're more focused on the support levels, what are we paying attention to? And as of right now, we can see we're currently holding or kind of on the line of our support, which is our statistical mean on the 6-month chart. So if we go over to an intraday chart, we can see yesterday we are holding a level. Now today we have kind of gapped below it, but as of right now, this 170 level is kind of key. If we continue to fade below it, what are going to be support levels continuing down? And really we will be looking at $1.06 and 95 cents as kind of this key zone, because obviously between these you're going to have the key psychological level at $1. So really 95 cents, $1 and $1.05 are 3 levels of support that we have then coming down to this level. So really if we sell off that far, we would expect some sort of a bounce to happen on up there, probably a push back to statistical mean, which will be around $1.70, around $1.70, $1.50 at the time we actually push down, or if we push down to that level. Now, if we break that and continue down, the only other statistical level we have is at 18 cents, but obviously very far off those other support levels. So if you were looking for other support levels, we would just be looking at the key psychological levels. Considering it would be under $1 at that level, we would just be looking at every 10 cents. So 90 cents, 80 cents, 70 cents, 60 cents, all those will be some sort of strong levels. And then obviously the other key psychological levels, so 50 cents and 75 cents will obviously be very strong levels as well if we did continue that low. Anyway, that is the breakdown on up. If you did enjoy the video, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video here.